Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about financial management. And we already know meaning of financial management. What do you mean by financial management? Financial management is a planning, organizing, directing, controlling of financial activities such as procurement and utilizing the funds of the business is called as a financial management. Financial management, what they will do? First they will do plan, and next they will organize, and next they will direct the peoples here, and next they will controlling the activities. What are the activities? Financial activities. What are the activities means? Financial activities such as procurement and utilization of funds of and enterprise is called as financial management. First they will do plan. After that they will going to direct, and next they will do controlling. What they will controlling here? Financial activities in the business. Why they are controlling means, first they have to use resources effectively. For that purpose they are going to controlling here. What they are doing? These are all activities to achieve the organizational goals. For that purpose they are going to do these are all activities. Okay, what do you mean by financial management? Financial management is a planning, organizing, directing, controlling the financial activities such as procurement and utilizing the funds of the enterprises is called as a financial management. And last class we discussed what do you mean by financial management, definition of financial management, and objectives of financial management also we discussed. And even we discussed the importance of financial management we discussed. Today we are going to discuss about financial decisions. In the financial management chapter we are going to discuss financial decision. Financial decision. Okay, what is the financial decision? Financial decision is a decision which is responsible for the all activities. Which is responsible for the all activities. What are that activities? Means liabilities and shareholders fund and equity of the company, and as well as issuing the bonds is called as financial decision. Financial decision is a decision which is related to the liabilities, shareholders fund and equity of the company, and issuing the bonds is called as a financial decision. Financial decision is a process. Financial decision is a process which is responsible for all related decisions, which is responsible for the all related decisions. Means what are that means? liabilities, share shareholders, shareholders funds, and equity of the company, as well as issue of bonds, as well as issue of bonds. Okay, is called as financial decision, and even which is include the stockholders also. Stockholders, even which is include the stockholders. Even which is include the stockholders also, shareholders funds, equity of the company, and issuing the bonds. These are all decision which is include the financial decision. What do you mean by financial decision? Means it's a process. Financial decision is a process which is responsible for all related decision. Which is responsible for the all related decision. What are that decisions? Means if they want to take a decision, stockholders means if they want to take any decision about stockholders, means who will take decision means the financial decision only they will take the decision, which is includes here. Even if they want to take decision, it is includes in financial decision only. Shareholders fund, equity of the company, and issuing the bonds. These are all decision who will take means the financial decision only will take, which is include the all activities. What are the activities means? Liability and equity of the company, issuing the bonds here, and stockholders funds, and everything which is includes a financial decision only. They have one responsibility. What is that means? If they want to take any decision means, first of all they know, and what is that means if they have knowledge about that means they can take the decision effectively. If they don't have knowledge means they can't take the decision effectively. So if they have knowledge means they can take the decision effectively. Okay, these are all decisions which is includes the financial decision. Financial decision, what are that includes? Which is includes the liability, shareholders fund, equity of the company, stakeholders, and issuing the bonds, which is how these are all responsibilities who have financial decision. Okay, and even we have types in this financial decision. There are three types of the financial decision is there here. See here, types of financial decision. First one is investment decision. Second one is financing decision. Third one is dividend decision. Here three types of decisions is there here. Okay, and types of financial decision, in that three types is there. First is finance investment decision. Next is financing decision. Third one is dividend decision. Here three types of decisions is there here. Okay. Okay, let us will understand one by one now. Okay, what do you mean investment decision? What do you mean investment decision is means investment decision is financial decision only. Investment decision is a financial decision only. How well they invested the funds in different assets is called as a investment decision. Okay, what do you mean investment decision? Investment decision is a financial decision. Investment decision is a financial decision which is how funds are invested in different assets is called as investment decision. Is called as investment decision. Investment decision which is includes only how funds are invested in different assets is called as the investment decision. Only they are investing the funds in assets. How well they invested the funds in assets. And if they have knowledge about investment means definitely they will invest effectively. Even they will get reasonable profit. Even they will generate the reasonable profit. If they don't have knowledge about the investment decision means at the time they will not invest effectively and even they will not get the profits here. So if they want to invest means first they need knowledge about investment. If they have means they can invest the money in assets effectively. Even we will get the more profit. Okay, otherwise we will not get the profit here. Okay, what is the investment decision? Investment decision it is the how funds are invested in different assets. How funds are invested in different assets is called as investment decision. How they will invest in assets? How they will invest? Means if they want to invest means compulsory they need knowledge about investment. If they have means they can invest effectively. Okay, example I will take. See, two decisions is there. Two investment decisions is there here. See here, two investment decisions is there. One is one decision is okay, purchase a new machine. They will invest in purchase a new machine and even they will invest in open a new branch. This is 5 crores. This is 2 crores. This is 5 crores and this is 2 crores. Okay. If they will invest means if they want to purchase new machine means compulsory they have to invest 5 crores. If they want to open the new branch means compulsory they have higher rate of return. Okay, where we will get higher rate of return. Means on that we are going to choose the investment. They have two investment decisions. If they will get more profit in purchasing new machinery, means in that only they will invest. If opening the new branches, means in that they will get the more profit, means they will invest here only. The main aim in investment decision, generating the profits. They are getting the high more interest rate of return. For that they are going to invest the money here. Where they will get, means there only they will invest the profit here. Okay. See here students, when they will get the higher rate of return, on that only they are going to invest the money. Okay. This is investment decision explanation. Okay. What do you mean investment decision? Investment decision is a financial decision which is how well funds are invested in different aspects is called as a investment decision. Okay. Here two investment decisions is there. If they will invest in purchasing a new machine, means if they are getting more profit, means they will invest there. Another decision is investing in opening new branch. Means here they will get more profit, means they will invest. If they want investments compulsory, then they need knowledge. They need knowledge. If they have knowledge about investment decision, means they can choose which investment decision will give more profit. That investment decision only they will choose here. Okay. Next we will understand financing decision. You will get one confusion here. See here. Here it is financial decision is there, but here financing decision is there. Don't confuse. This is financing decision. This is financial decision. Okay. Financing decision. Financing decision is decision about quantum. Quantum means amount. Quantum means amount of finance. Finance is raised from various long term and short term sources of finance is called as financing decision. Okay. What do you mean financing decision? Means the decision about quantum of finance, means amount of finance. Here the finance decision here raising the funds from various long term and short term sources of the finance is called as a financing decision here. Finance decision means their decision take how we will raise the funds with sources of funds. Means example I will give. If I will give example, means you will understand that well. Okay. I want they will issue. Okay, and remaining 40,000, 40 lakhs is there, no? 20,000 shares, sorry, 20 lakh rupees they will issue in the debentures. They are issuing the debentures. Remaining 20 lakhs they will borrow from bank and financial institutions. Where they will borrow the money means they will borrow from bank and any financial institutions. They need 1 crore rupees. Example, ABC company is there. ABC company is there. ABC company need 1 crore rupees. They want 1 crore rupees means they will raise in the funds here. How they will raise means they are issuing the shares here. Means what shares means they will issuing here equity shares. They are issuing here equity shares and they will issuing here preference shares and retained earning. Retained earning means they are issuing here. Okay, and some people they will purchase. Where they will purchase means share market. In share market they are going to purchase the shares here. Means the company always issuing the shares here. Okay, who will purchase means the share means shareholders they will purchase the shares here. Who are interested to purchase means they will purchase in the shares. They will purchase and they will pay the money here. Yes, who will purchase? They will pay the money. That money we are going to invest it in company. In company they will invest 60 lakhs. Okay, next 20 lakhs rupees. Debentures. Debentures means it is a type of bond. Okay, what do you pay? Debentures means it is a type of bond and fixed rate of return we have to pay to the debenture holders. Okay, fixed rate of return we have to pay to the debenture holders. Always issuing the government and company. Always issuing the government and company. See here. Debentures means type of bond. Debentures means type of bond and which is issued by company and government only. Government only. And we have to pay fixed rate of interest. Fixed rate of interest we have to pay here. Okay, is called as debentures. Debentures means it is a type of bond which is issued by the who will issue means the company will issue here. Okay, the company will issue in fixed rate of return we are going to pay to the debenture holders and it is unsecured. Here we can't give a security here. Today is there, tomorrow if it is there or not, we can't give clarity about that. But here shares we will give the clarity about that. Okay, okay. We will issue the 20 lakhs of debentures. Means if we will issue means they will pay the money. Means debentures we will give that. And they will purchase and they will pay cash to us. And in monthly wise we have to pay some fixed rate of return here. How much fixed on that day? That much interest rate of that much interest we have to pay monthly here. Okay, and we are getting 20 lakhs, and remaining 20 lakhs we are borrowed from bank. Yes, we can borrow from the bank, and even financial institutions we can borrow from bank. Okay, I think all of you know what do you mean equity shares, preference shares, retained earning. See, I will explain once again. Equity shares. What do you mean equity shares? What do you mean equity shares means? Equity shares is a long-term sources of the company. Equity shares are long-term source of company which is holds right to own share the profit of the company is called as equity shares. What do you mean equity shares? Equity shares is a long term financial source here. It is long term. It is not short term. It is long term sources of the company here. And here which is hold to right. Here equity shares will get 50% ownership in that company. 50% ownership they will get. Overall is there. Equity shares means they are all owners of the company only. They have vote to right, and they can share the profit and loss also. Even they will give the ideas also here. Okay, even they have 50% holding capacity, ownership facilities. Even they have 50% ownership in that organization. Is called as a equity shares. Okay, and next is preference shares. Preference shares is a shares which is have first preference in the company, which is have first preference in the company is called as, and here we will share the only profit. Here we will share the only profit here. First preference. Example, ABC company. ABC company will get profit. 10 lakh rupees they will get profit. Example I am telling. If they will get 10 lakh rupees means and that they have to issue the dividend here. Okay. In that first preference who will take means the preferential holders only. The company will give the preference, first preference who will to give means here it is they will give to shareholders. After that they will give preference to equity shareholders. First preference to give to the preferential holders here. Here if they will get profit or not, they will not think about that. But compulsory they need profit every year. Every month they need profit here. They are not compromised here. But equity shareholders, they can compromise. In this year, I am getting this much more money only. So I will share this much profit only. If they will tell means they will compromise. Why means they are owners of the company. 50% holding capacity they have. Here they don't have any right to own and right to ownership activities also. They don't have any rights here, but here they will get the first preference. That's it, preference shareholders. Okay. Next is retained earning. Retained earning is a type of shares. I will tell you here. ABC company, we get 10 lakh rupees. Okay. In that they will share 4 lakh rupees profit to shareholders. Remaining 6 lakh rupees, what is there means that is retained earning. That is retained earning. Remaining 6 lakh rupees is there, no? That is retained earning. We shared 4 lakh rupees to shareholders. Remaining portion as retained earning. Okay, that is portion, it is retained earning. I think all of you understood what do you mean by equity shares, what do you mean by preference shares, and what is retained earning, what is debentures. I think all of you understood. This is basic knowledge about the commerce students. Okay, this is basic knowledge about commerce students. I think all of you know. I am explaining once again. That's it. Okay, and here like that they are raising the funds from shares and debentures and borrowing from the bank and financial institutions. Okay. Once again I will explain here. See here, financial decision is a decision about amount of finance raised from various long-term and short-term sources of the finance is called as a financial decision. Sorry, financing decision here. Okay, here how much funds means they are raising the funds. If they need funds means compulsory they will raise. In where means long term and short term. Long term means shareholders fund. Short term means borrowing funds from financial institution and bank. Okay. The last one is dividend decision. Dividend decision. Dividend decision means, first of all, you know, if you know dividend means, you can understand the dividend decision. Otherwise, we can't. See here, I will explain here. Dividend decision is a financial decision. Okay, how much profit earned by the company after paying tax. Okay, after paying tax, how much money earned, okay, is to be distributed to shareholders. It should be distributed to the shareholders. How much profit they are gaining? How much profit they are gaining? How much profit they are getting after paying tax? After paying tax, how much profit they are getting means in that we are going to distribute the profit to shareholders. That is dividend. Okay, means dividend decision is a financial decision which is how much funds or how much profit we earned. In that we will distribute the profit to shareholders. Is called as dividend decision. Okay, already I explained in financing decision means we are raising first. We will raise the funds in equity shareholders. They will purchase. Today they will purchase. After 1 month they will ask. Means I want profit. Means we have to pay. That profit is dividend. That profit is dividend. How much portion we are paying to shareholders? That portion is dividend. Okay, how much portion we are paying? That portion is dividend. Okay, what do you mean dividend decision means? It is a financial decision. How much profit earned by the company after paying the tax is to be distributed to the shareholders. Example, they will get 50 lakhs. They will get 50 lakhs profit means on that they will, example I am telling, 10 lakhs they will pay for dividend. Remaining 40 lakhs is retained earning. Okay, means how much profit we are getting on that we will fix it one rate. Means that much rate, that much profit we have to, that much portion we have to distribute to the shareholders. Okay, is called as a dividend decision. Okay, is called as a dividend decision. This is types of financial decisions. I think all of you understood briefly about for the investment decision and financing decision and dividend decision. Okay, investment decision is a financial decision. How the funds are invested in different assets is called as a investment decision. Next, financing decision. Financing decision is a decision which is decision about the amount of finance raised from various long-term and short-term finance of the short-term source of the finance is called as a financing decision. And next is dividend decision. Dividend decision is a decision. It is a financial decision which is how much profit earned by the company after paying the tax. Means we are sharing the profit to shareholders is called as a dividend decision. What we learned in this class, we learned what do you mean by financial decision, what are the types of the financial decision. Okay, what are the types of the financial decision? Investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision. Okay students, next class we will explain. Okay, next class I will explain about investment decision, what are the factors affecting for investment decision. Okay, thank you students for listening this session.